How to change age range. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change age range. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Click here as shown in video. Now here you can set the range of age. In this way, you can set the range. And then click on apply as shown here. So in this way, you can change the age range in Bumble. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.